Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a premium dash camera to protect your vehicle and capture crystal clear footage, then you should definitely check out the VIOFO A229 Plus dual dash cam. Right now, it's available for just $159.99, down from $213.32, giving you a 25% discount. One of the biggest highlights is its dual Sony STARVIS 2 IMX675 image sensors, allowing both the front and rear cameras to record in sharp 2K HDR resolution. Whether you're driving during the day or at night, you'll get detailed footage with improved dynamic range and excellent low-light performance. The front camera can even record at 60 frames per second, making fast-moving scenes smoother and helping capture important details like license plates more clearly. This dashcam is packed with smart features too. You get built-in GPS for accurate location and speed tracking, ultra-fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi for quick video transfers through the VIOFO app, and voice control with 12 hands-free commands, so you can operate the camera without taking your hands off the wheel. For extra peace of mind, it also supports 24/7 parking monitoring, including event detection, time-lapse recording, low bitrate recording, and buffered parking mode, which can capture footage both before and after an incident when your vehicle is parked. Installation is simple thanks to its compact front and rear cameras, and it supports microSD cards up to 512 gigabytes for plenty of recording space. Overall, if you want a feature-packed dash camera with excellent video quality, reliable safety features, and smart connectivity, the VIOFO A229 Plus is definitely worth considering. If you're interested, click the link in the description below to buy and check the latest price. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews, automotive gadgets, and the latest smart products.